Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I want to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Alanga Zulkarnain, and my student ID number is 195093344041. I am from D Cucu Diploma for Automotive Engineering. In this presentation, I want to discuss about clutch. Powertrain. The mechanism that transmits power from the engine to the wheels is called a powertrain. That is, the rotary power that has been generated by the engine through the combustion process is transmitted from the engine to the wheels through the system powertrain. Next. The power transfer mechanism produced by the engine is powertrain. This mechanism consists of clutch, transmission, propeller shaft, differential, and axle and drive shaft. Clutch. The function of clutch is to connect and disconnect the engine speed to the transmission, and the location of clutch at between the engine and transmission. The requirement of clutch are: can connect the engine speed to the transmission gently, can transfer engine power the transmission without slip, can break up quickly and perfectly. Clutch cover. Clutch cover is a component of the clutch system in the vehicle. This clutch cover is also often known as the clutch house, coupling, and sun clutch. Clutch cover shaped like a disc, which inside consists of pressure spring and a plate with a flat surface consisting of cast iron. This clutch cover is used as a clutch disc cover that is installed directly on the flywheel with bolt connection around it. Clutch cover has two models, and the first model is clutch cover diaphragm. Clutch cover diaphragm are commonly used on light vehicle for passengers like sedans, pickups, and SUVs. Clutch cover diaphragm spring use a diaphragm shaped spring that is mounted in a circle in the middle of the clutch cover body. If you use this clutch cover, the advantages are the moderate usage, the clutch plate is more evenly distributed, the power of the spring is not diminished by the centrifugal force, and the detriment is the emphasis on the smaller clutch. And the second model of clutch cover is coil spring clutch cover. Coil spring clutch cover is commonly used on heavy-duty vehicle large capacity like a truck and buses. This type of clutch cover uses a coil spring shape. Spring can be adjusted in height and installed between the clutch cover lid with a pressure plate. If you use this clutch cover, the advantage is emphasis on strong clutch plates, and the detriment are power to press heavy clutch plates, and the construction is complicated, so the price is expensive. This clutch. This clutch is a clutch component that works with the clutch cover unit to continue the rotation from the engine to the input shaft of the transmission. The shape of this clutch like a disc and made of special material that are resistant to shock and friction. The namely is asbestos. And the function of this clutch are facing the friction field to carry the rotary power from the engine to the transmission. Cushion plate for often as the clutch relates. Torsion damper for shock absorption when coupling is engaged. Propulsion mechanical clutch. Mechanical clutch is a clutch whose work is regulated by the clutch handle, where the release is done by pulling the clutch handle on the steering rod. Yeah, This is the picture about produce of mechanical clutch works. Clutch pedal free motion. Clutch pedal free motion is the distance between the diaphragma and the release pad. This is the picture of clutch pedal free motion. And the second, hydraulic clutch. In this type, the movement of the clutch pedal is changed to hydraulic pressure by the master cylinder, which is the forwarded to the release fork through the release cylinder. Yeah, this is the picture of produce of hydraulic clutch works. The main component of the hydraulic coupling unit are: for one, pump impeller, if a pump mechanism that generates hydraulic power to the fluid. 2. Runner turbine is a mechanism for capturing fluid hydraulic power generated by the pump impeller. 3. Stator is a mechanism for regulating the direction of fluid flow so that adverse flow does not occur, but instead a favorable flow so that an increase in moment or torque is obtained. Next. Clutch master cylinder. Clutch master cylinder is one of the important components in a hydraulic clutch system that function to change the mechanical motion of the clutch pedal to the hydraulic pressure of the clutch oil. Next. Clutch release cylinder. The function of clutch release cylinder is to forward power from the master cylinder pushes the release fork. This component is located at the bottom of the vehicle and has a function to the continue power from the master cylinder, which will be used to push the release fork. And next, centrifugal clutch or torque converter. Centrifugal clutch are found on dark matters. Gear shift is done manually, but the driver does not need to operate the clutch. Not only use the vehicle equipped with automatic transmission. Okay, thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.